Alright, before I go into the review of this Weld jacket here, I just want to go over a couple of the Weld jackets that I've had. Believe it or not, these jackets here are not old at all. And look at this crap already. They're starting to rip, burn throughs. This here actually happened on this corner right here. That just happened the other day ago with my coworker's jacket. This one here I ended up buying because basically the jacket that I have now, they were out of stock because they're all handmade. They're not made in some sweatshop in China. This one here was literally, I think I only wore it for a couple days. You can already see the splatter already working its way through the sleeves. You know, you can't wash these jackets. They say you can, but trust me, I've tried it and they shrink, they fade, and they actually wear out quicker. So just thought I'd show you that. Oh, and by the way, I had 3 jackets. I had 2 like this and 1 like that. What I liked about this jacket though is it had a soapstone or a pencil holder in the sleeve, which I'll get into shortly with this jacket that I have now. So you're looking at $30, $30, and another $30. Since I went through 3 jackets this year, that's $90. $90 is a lot of money, mostly for 3 different jackets. But you get what you pay for, I suppose. So let me show you this jacket that I highly recommend. All right, let's go over the jacket that I highly recommend to any welder, fabricators, hobbyists, what have you. Even to business owners, if you buy jackets for your employees, this is a great investment. If you're a contractor and you have to buy your own, great investment. It's made from Southern Colorado Hats in Colorado. It's a small family business, which always support your small business. Try to avoid the corporations. Support the little men. You got your side pocket or your sleeve pocket here, which I already brought up how I liked about that piece of shit. The only thing that I liked about it. But this one's even better, to be honest with you. Then of course you got your breast pockets on both sides. And then you have your pen pocket. You got your snaps, which gorgeous snaps on these jackets. And you can see that they're well made. They're not all shitty like this in some sweatshop. I mean, these things are very durable. I've had this jacket going on 3 months, maybe a little bit longer. And it held up great. So, I mean, and it's gonna last for years, I'm telling you that right now. You got your side, your sleeve buttons on here, which is nice. The material is almost like a Carhartt type of material, but it's not as thick as a Carhartt, if that makes any sense. It's a perfect balance. Also, you can see I hardly get no splatter marks, and I weld quite often. I mean, I work in a small fabrication shop, so we do everything. We weld, paint, cut, drill, layout, you name it. We do everything. And I wear this jacket every single day, all day, about 90% of the time. They do run a little bit long, which you'll see in the video, which is a good thing because you got a less chance of getting hung up in the grinder. Most if you're working off of a table at waist height, like those jackets there, they only come like right down to the hip. So you're gonna have more of a chance of getting all hung up with your grinder. So I'll go over more about this jacket in the video, and I'm gonna also put a link to their website. They make all different varieties. They also make welding caps, bandanas. I mean, they have it going on.